Yeah, not bad.
Ooh, wow.
There.
Ooh, yeah, we got it.
Both flexing on me. Hold on.
All right, we're here with 3-time Miss Bikini Olympia, Ashley Kaltwasser.
Hi.
And Dr. Bo.
Greetings.
This is Dr. Bo and this is Ashley.
Greetings, citations.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, have you ever gotten adjusted?
I have, and it's been a while, like probably 2 years.
Do you have anything that's in pain?
I wouldn't say in pain, but maybe could use a little help. I know my neck is chronically very stiff. Even to look to the side and side, it like doesn't go as far as it should, I think. So maybe you can help me out with that.
Yeah, for sure.
Also my hips, maybe. We'll
Okay.
see.
Take a look.
Okay.
Perfect.
Well, let's check that range of motion on the neck first. So I'm going to have you look all the way over your right shoulder as far as you can, and now to the left, and back to center, and then up to the ceiling, and then down all the way. And now one pulse kind of a little bit down the shoulder blades when you look down.
Pulse in the shoulder blade?
Do you feel like you can bring your chin to your chest?
Oh my gosh, I can't. No.
Yeah, so we can work on that. So we'll bring that back for you. Let's see your shoulder range of motion. So both arms up all the way. That's pretty good. Okay. And both hands go like this. Go push them out. Okay, push them in. Push those out again one more time. The right feel a little weaker.
I don't know. Is it weaker?
Push. Now push. Yeah. Same thing right here. Hold that thumb up. I'm gonna push down, don't let me. Okay, now do this one. That's the one. Hold. That one's a little sore.
I think it's like definitely tougher.
Let's do this one comparatively. And hold. Yeah. This one engages easier, it feels like.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is a little shaky.
So let's clear out the neck part first. Get that
Okay.
range back. We get the shoulders moving, get those hips moving and grooving as well.
Moving and grooving.
Absolutely.
Wow, that sounds like fun.
Sounds like fun. All right, so you're gonna look straight down first. There's a sore spot.
Oh man, hurts so good.
And then look down a little further. There it is. There's the cell phone spot.
Cell phone, you did me wrong.
What did I ever do to you? Throw it on the ground, dropped it, left it places, traded it in for a new model.
Ooh, every time, every year.
You know? And when I press right there, do you feel that like through your head?
Yes.
So I'm gonna hold that till it fades, so just breathe through it. Is it starting to fade a little?
Yeah. Thank goodness.
It couldn't go on for much longer. There we go. Pretty much gone?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna hook in right there. Get that shoulder down a little bit. So now bring that left ear down to your left shoulder. Perfect. Back to center. And again. Good. And then go back to center. I'm gonna have you look over that left shoulder again. There it is. And that one you feel in your head too?
Oh yeah.
There it goes. Woosah. That's better. Perfect.
Dang. Feels so much better afterwards though.
Feels so good once you stop.
Yes.
So peaceful.
So much relief.
That's what you're talking about? The guitar string?
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah. Oof.
Mm-hmm.
And center and down. Yeah, right there's a good one. Look down again. And back to center. And down. And center. And we're going to clear one more right there. This needs some more work. All right, turn your head to the right all the way. And back to center. And again. And center. And again. And then look down all the way. And look up all the way. And at the top, I want you to kind of whistle. Go. And then back down. Go up again.
I used to be able to whistle and I got my lips done. But I can't.
You get a whistle? All right, then you can howl then instead.
Ooh.
That was the cutest move ever.
All right. Go hand on the hip like this. So sassy up. You're gonna pull this elbow back. So pull, 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 pull. Nice, that's good. Let's check this out. And same thing. Pull.
Ooh, something. Something.
Let's go ahead and look straight up to the ceiling. And keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. A little further. A little further. Very good. Good. And then you're gonna look to the right all the way. And keep turning. And then we're gonna go the other way. Keep going. Keep going. Let's check the range again. So you're gonna look up again. Much better. And back to center and look right. Not bad. Left. Good. And see if we can touch the chin to the chest now.
Yeah. It's there.
So pull that left shoulder blade back. Good. Chin to the center and then push your whole neck back. There it is. And then look up again. Good. And then tuck the chin.
Strange feeling.
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Let that chin go.
Yeah, the chin
Yeah,
go.
look at this chin's on fleek, doing its thing, living its best
Living its
life
best
up
life.
in here, you know?
That's
So now I can hit all those angles, like,
Yes, yes.
she said yes. So let's spin around. I'm gonna have your head on this end, feet going that way. I'm gonna lay on your back. Yeah, it's mostly there.
ooh, wow. Oh my goodness.
There we go. Okay. This one's gonna come right in there.
Oh, wow. That's a doozy.
So less sore on that one.
Yes, I feel like it's a lot less tense.
Like it's moving now.
Yeah,
And then same thing there.
yeah.
Yeah. All right, this hand's gonna go right here. Take that hand and reach down towards your foot.
Oh.
And shrug. And reach.
It's ridiculous.
And shrug. And reach. And shrug. And one more time. Good. Relax the hand. Same thing over here. Reach down towards your foot. And shrug. And reach. So that's not as tight though. Yeah, a little leg length difference there.
Ooh. Ooh, my goodness. I'll be taller now.
There you go. And squeeze both legs together real hard. Squeeze. Shoulders
The
out
thigh
just a little
master.
bit. The thigh master.
Yeah, the thigh master movement.
What do we call those? The
Sharon
Stones.
Sharon Stone.
The good girl, bad girl.
Yeah.
There it was. Feel that little shift?
Mm-hmm.
Shoulders out just a little bit. Yeah. Is there any tension there anymore when I'm pulling?
Yeah, I
First
can
I
see
couldn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, much better. Let's go ahead and sit back up. We're going to spin face back the original direction. Hands go here. Push that one out again. Yeah, that's more solid. Go here. Thumb up, hold, thumb down. Hold. So this arm goes back like that. I'm going to come right here. Go and reach that arm back. Never had a shoulder hammer before?
Never. Wow.
Wow. You know, wow was backwards, right? Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, push. There we go.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So
Strength.
up and down like that. I'm gonna hook you right there. And keep going. Up, up, up. Shoulder press it, shoulder press it.
This feels awkward. It is a little painful, but in a good way. Like, hurts so good, you know?
Yeah.
You know what else is pretty intense?
Tense?
Models that go camping.
Oh, they are intense.
They're pretty intense.
I get you.
Boo.
Am I missing something?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Pretty intense.
He likes puns.
Like models that go camping.
In
They're pretty and they're intense. So it's pretty intense.
Oh, that's a good one.
Dang.
Wow, I get it now. Dang.
Go in and out with that arm like that.
Slow.
Alright, let's go here again. Thumb up and hold. There. And thumb down. How about that? That feels solid?
Wow, that does.
Yeah.
Heck yes.
Now let's get a little bit more serratus.
It's ticklish.
So if you hold the arm, then they can't squirm away.
Ah, nice trick.
Yeah. Because I used to be able to do that. But if I traction the arm a little bit,
Yeah.
the serratus is all mine.
Yeah.
Alright, thumb up and hold. There. That's solid.
Mm-hmm.
Hella solid.
Solid. Heck yeah.
Hands here. Push. Yeah. Just a little bit right there. Woosah. Remember, it's just one finger. Can't tap out. Both hands go here. Okay, we'll scoop here and here. Deep breath in and blow it out. Okay, solid there. Okay, hands here. Cross them. I'm gonna go over the top here and look down all the way. Oh, good there too. Damn. No T-spine. You got a flat spine.
What's that mean?
It means we're gonna have more tightness like lower here than in between the shoulder blades.
Huh.
Like there. It's probably good for what you do.
Yep.
Easier to get the shoulder blades back. And,
Yep. And this up.
Yeah. Let's lay on your side, and your head's gonna be towards us though. Nice. Okay, we'll switch sides. Can I pop before we went?
I know.
That's good. All right, so take this leg here, and you're gonna swing it off like that, and then bring it back to here, and keep doing that motion.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, not bad. Give yourself a big hug. So self-love. Okay, we're gonna roll you back over this. It's important. Okay, a little tighter with your arms. Yeah, there you go. Go in there.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Got it.
Money.
Put it on the board. Boom.
Nice.
Boom.
Some good cracks.
Feel amazing. I want to float away.
Got the moves.
Dang. Okay, girl.
Look how loose I am.
Oh, get it.
Oh,
Get it.
Kill it.
I love
Pretty
it.
good.
I feel good.
Yeah.